any browser, go to Google and then search for Parsec. So you will get some links. So open up the very first link, which will be the official link for Parsec. You can see the download now option. Click on the download now option. Okay, after clicking on the download now option, you will get download for Windows 64 bits. So I recommend you to download this 64 bits, but before downloading, check the hardware. The minimum requirements are Windows 8.1 Core 2 Duo, which is very basic, 4GB DDR3 RAM, which is outdated. You need at least 8GB DDR4 RAM, and as far as I am concerned, if your system is strong, your internet connection is strong, then only you can be able to play the game, or at least the screen of the host will be playable for you. Otherwise, there will be a lot of lags and the experience will be very bad. So if you want a very good experience while streaming the game, see, with this software you can basically stream the host server, or you can host your own game. And suppose there are split screen games in which one player has to play with the keyboard and another player has to play with gamepad. So you can do that. You can share your screen with the friends. So now let me show you. I have already downloaded the Parsec app. So here is my software which I have installed in my laptop. So just copy these settings. If you are hosting a game, copy the setting. Your render should be direct 3D11. VSync should be off. Decoder should be your graphics card. Okay, after doing this, go to host. Hosting should be enabled. If this is disabled, you cannot host. Resolution should be according to your requirement. Bandwidth should be according to your internet speed. FPS should be, if the game is lagging, then reduce it. If the game is working well, you can increase the FPS. Display should be your primary. Okay, if it's showing another display, you can check the display. Quality should be according to your need. You can either go with balance or the highest. Okay, so these are the settings. Copy everything. So don't change anything with the approved apps in the network. According to website, the client port should be 8000 and the hosting start port should be 9000. If you are facing 6033 error, then do this. The hotkeys, you don't need to change anything here. In the gamepad, if your gamepad is connected, it will detect and you can change the settings. Currently I don't have a gamepad, so it's not showing anything. Go to account. By this, it will open a browser and you can change either the password or anything related to the account. So let me show you by joining a random arcade game. As you can see, these are some random players sharing their screen. As you can see, at least 14 players can join. As you are seeing, some random player is playing his game, but to gain the access or to play the game, you need to have either a controller. Right now, so by clicking escape, you can disconnect the screen. So this is how you join the game. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And the video software download link will be included in the video description. Thanks for watching.